Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews and insights. Today, we're talking about the best all-purpose magic cleaning gel that's been taking the cleaning world by storm, the Panmall Magic Remover Gel. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains or just keeping your home spotless, this gel promises to be your new best friend. This versatile cleaning gel is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient, and it works on a wide range of surfaces. From kitchen sinks to bathroom tiles, bathtubs, and even washing machine seals, this gel can handle it all. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just apply it to the target area, wait for about 3 to 5 hours, and wipe it away with a damp cloth or rinse it off with water. No harsh scrubbing required. You can use it on silicone, bathroom and kitchen tiles, window sealants, porches, and even around the washing machine. It's not just for tough stains, it's also great for those hard-to-reach spots, making it ideal for regular maintenance and deep cleaning alike. And while it's powerful, it's also safe for most surfaces. The formula is natural and non-toxic, which means you don't have to worry about using it around pets or young children. The design of the gel makes it super easy to apply, thanks to the long nozzle that lets you target specific areas precisely. The squeeze bottle ensures you get just the right amount every time, without any mess. Just look at the difference. Whether it's soap scum, grime, or even tough water stains, the Panmall Magic Remover Gel gets the job done quickly and effectively. So if you're looking for a cleaner that does it all, tiles, bathtubs, sinks, washing machines, and more, this is definitely worth checking out. It's efficient, easy to use, and reliable. Remember, you can get your own Panmall Magic Remover Gel right here. Just click the link in the description to find out more. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome product insights. Happy cleaning!